Hey Shooby Doodlers, it's Valentine's week here on Draw Stuff Real Easy. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the jigsaw of love. And so it's kind of an old idea of having a heart that, you split into, and each half of a loving pair takes their share, their half, and it will always meet and always join together. So we need to draw this heart, which is going to go around like that, then up a bit, and then joining down there. That's coming straight down, and that wants to sort of meet there. And then we want to do this kind of jigsaw kind of thing. So you want to get that kind of jigsaw pattern. So it's got to split down the middle as well, and you want to get that kind of jigsaw kind of look there, and it's usually curved as well, isn't it? So that wants to come around like that. Let's see how we go with this. Let's come down here. That wants to come around and back down and around and down to here and down to there. It's coming around here, down and straight across. Now this will then come around here and then up and just kind of dot away. Here we want to kind of follow this around like that, because they don't quite meet, because the saw has come in between, hasn't it? So they're taking that little piece out, and that will come back on that. That will come down there, and then we want to come all the way around, and then that will come down and then across to there. And this will come across like that. So when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil lines. We could maybe put a table in the background there. And I think we're going to have a little bit of kind of shading on the edge there. We're certainly going to make that much darker in the middle. That will be there. That will be darker. That will be darker, and that will be darker coming around there like that. I think we might want a bit of shading in there. We could maybe put a little bit of sort of shiny highlight there too. And I think this is going to be kind of shaded. So I'm going to put a bit of shading with that's going to kind of fade away down there. And then I'm going to put this shading here just to put the whole thing on the table. And look, if you're still watching, then you obviously like drawing. And so click down here, there's a subscribe button there, and you will subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and then keep coming back for lots more drawings every week. Like I say, at the moment I'm doing Valentine's drawings all this week, and I'm pretty much doing drawings every kind of weekday at the moment. So there you go, how to draw the jigsaw of love.